This is video number 4 for section 5.3, Simple Log Applications. For the most part, we're going to use logarithms as a tool to help us solve exponential equations, something we've been trying to figure out for a long time, and we will see that in the next lesson. But there are a few applications of logarithms themselves. In fact, there are three sort of famous examples. The pH scale, which is what we'll cover in this video. The decibel scale for sound is a log scale, and the Richter scale for earthquakes is also a log scale, and you'll see some of that in the homework. But in this brief video, I just wanted to cover one of those examples. This one is about the pH scale, which measures the acidity of a solution. The formula is given right here. pH is the negative of the log of H plus. H plus, it says, stands for the hydrogen ion concentration measured in moles per liter. Those are chemistry units. Now notice with the log, there's no little base, which of course means this is a log base 10. And then there's one more statement of introduction. We will consider a substance high in acid if the pH is less than 7. Well, the problems are just a couple of examples of substances where we're being asked to calculate the pH. The first substance is vinegar. We are being given the H plus, the hydrogen ion concentration. So all we really need to do to calculate the pH is simply plug into the formula. The negative of the log of this number, 1.6 times 10 to the negative third, given to us in scientific notation. There's nothing else I can really do by hand here. I'll just have to type that into the calculator. Okay, so we've got the negative and the log. Then I need to put the number in. Remember, scientific notation on these calculators, type in 1.6, then choose the little EE button. It's in blue, so hit the blue button, choose that, and then you just have to type the exponent that's on top of the 10, so negative 3. That's how you type in 1.6 times 10 to the negative 3. All that's left, hit enter, and we're done. Looks like the pH of vinegar is around 2.8, which means, of course, that vinegar must be a fairly acidic substance since the pH is so much less than 7. Okay, let's go on to shampoo. So again, here's the hydrogen ion concentration. I just need to plug into my formula the negative of the log of that number, and then I'll have to go to the calculator once again. So again, negative log, this time 7.4, choose that little EE, and my power is negative 10 for the scientific notation. Hit enter, and it looks like this time we've ended up with a pH of about 9.1. And that, of course, means that shampoo is not a highly acidic substance, since the pH is not less than 7, something I'm sure we're all glad about. As I mentioned before, you'll see some other applications of logs on the homework.